There's breaking news coming in on the aftermath of the farmer's suicide. The Delhi police have written to the district magistrate, in fact refused to join the magisterial probe in connection with the farmer's suicide. Pooja is with us for more on this. Now, Pooja, we understand that the Delhi police has refused to cooperate with the magisterial probe ordered by the Aam Aadmi Party government.
That's right. In fact, Times Now has managed to access the exclusive copy of that letter. It is a letter written by the Deputy Commissioner of Police of the New Delhi District to the District Magistrate of the New Delhi District. And it's basically said, in fact, the mentioned subject by you, the subject quoted by you, is about the death of an individual yesterday at the rally, is basically a subject of this FIR number and of as per the IPC, it is not under your jurisdiction. Basically, clearly telling the district magistrate that at this juncture, this is not the domain of the magistrate, so there is no need for the police really to involve itself in this investigation. This is perhaps the most clear evidence of confrontation between the Delhi police and the Delhi government. This has happened since yesterday when the man was there atop the tree. We had the Aam Aadmi Party leaders accusing the police. The police in the FIR accuses the Aam Aadmi Party workers of instigating, and now we have this letter where very clearly the confrontation is out in the open.
As far as investigation of this case is concerned, that will be conducted by crime branch, and apart from the crime branch which will be going into the criminal case, Joint CP NDR is also going to look into the various facets of this matter, and if in case there are any administrative lapses, so that will also be taken care of.
क्या पुलिस वालों की आपकी जिम्मेदारी तय की है?
देखिए, मैं जब तक इंक्वायरी कंप्लीट नहीं होती, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट नहीं होती, तो मैं कभी भी कंक्लूजन्स पे नहीं पहुंचना चाहूँगा।
सर, हमें दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट से दिल्ली पुलिस के बहुत लोग भी वहाँ मौजूद थे, एक आदमी फांसी लगा रहा है, तो सर ये मॉरल इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होती सर कि बचाने की या कुछ होता है सर?
देखिए, ऐसा कि मैं इस बारे में इसलिए ज़्यादा तफसील में नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि ये मामला हम इंक्वायरी के अंदर में देखा जाएगा बाय द कंसर्न जॉइंट सीपी। और जहाँ तक सवाल है, देयर आर सर्टन स्टैंडिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स इन सच contingencies and which are applicable not only within the country but also abroad.
सर, आपके नेताओं को भी बुलाएंगे पूछताछ के लिए?
अब देखिए, ऐसा इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर जो डिसाइड करेंगे, वो जब मुझे उसकी कोई जानकारी मिलेगी मैं आपको जरूर बताऊंगा।